What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to take a screenshot on your Windows PC or laptop. Here I have Windows 11, but this method should also work on previous versions of Windows. So to do so, it's actually pretty simple. Just press and hold the Windows key and the print screen key. As you can see, the screen flickered. Now, the print screen key on your keyboard might have like PRTSC or like an abbreviation or print screen, depending on the size of your keyboard or the type of your laptop or computer. Now, as you can see, the screen flickered, the screenshot has been taken. All you have to do to view the picture or open it is to go to the File Explorer icon here on the taskbar, click on it, go to the Pictures, and then you'll find a folder that says screenshots. If you open it, you'll find your screenshot here. You can open it and edit it, or you can send it. You can do whatever you want with it.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.